Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on indeterminate form, second case infinity by infinity. Let us evaluate limit of log of x minus pi by 2 divided by tan of x as x tends to pi by 2. Therefore, first step is to get the form. Therefore, as x tends to pi by 2, this log of x minus pi by 2 is equals to pi by 2 minus pi by 2 log of 0, and log 0 is minus infinity. Tan of x becomes tan of pi by 2, and all we know that tan pi by 2 is infinity. Therefore, limit takes infinity by infinity form. And when we have the limit form as either 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, we can apply Cauchy's rule. Therefore, applying Cauchy's rule, that limit of log of x minus pi by 2 divided by tan of x as x tends to pi by 2 is equals to limit of a differentiating numerator and denominator with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of log is 1 upon x minus pi by 2 and whole divided by a derivative of tan x is secant square x as x tends to pi by 2, and therefore it is limit. We know that 1 by secant is nothing but cos. Therefore, it becomes cos square x divided by x minus pi by 2, and as x tends to pi by 2, we get cos of pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0, and pi by 2 minus pi by 2 we get 0. Therefore, form is 0 by 0. And as we get 0 by 0 form, again applying Cauchy's rule, it is limit differentiating cos square x with respect to x, its derivative is 2 times cos of x, and derivative of cos of x is minus sin x divided by differentiation of this is 1 as x tends to pi by 2, and therefore substituting the limit as pi by 2 for x, we get that value as minus 2 times cos of pi by 2 into sin of pi by 2, and we know the value of cos pi by 2, it is 0, and sin pi by 2 is 1. Therefore, it is 0 into 1. Therefore, value we get as 0. The true value of that limit as 0, which is different from that all indeterminate form. Therefore, here we can stop the process of applying this Cauchy's rule, or this is the final answer. If you like my video, please share it, as well as subscribe to my channel to receive the notification for my such type of new videos. For that, you have to press the bell icon. Thank you.